So now I am going to do some more questions. Question number 17. 2p plus 3q. And in the other bracket, 4p square minus 6pq plus 9q square. So see here, if you see this carefully, what will you find? You will find that 4p square. This is the whole square of what? It is the whole square of 2p.
2p.
And 9q square, it is the whole square of 3q.
3q.
And if you see 2p into 3q, 2p into 3q, it is equal to how much?
6pq.
6pq. It is clear? This is 6pq. So we can rewrite it. We will rewrite it in this form. 2p plus 3q. And in the other bracket, we will write 2p whole square. This edge 2p into 3q. And this edge 3q whole square. Now you take 2p equals to A and 3q equals to B. Let 2p equals to A and 3q equals to B. And put here. So what will you get? You will get A plus B in one bracket. In the other bracket, what will you get?
A minus square.
You will get A square minus AB plus B square.
B square.
And it is equal to how much? It is equals to what? A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square.
A square plus B square.
It is equal to what? It is A cube plus B cube. This is the formula of A cube plus B. This into this is equal to A cube plus B. It's clear? Full Bajaj, turn off your audio. Full Bajaj. Now what is in place of A? In place of A is 2p. That is 2p ka whole cube plus 3q ka whole cube. Whole cube means you will multiply how many times? 3 times.
3 times.
It will be equal to 8p cube plus 27q cube.
Q cube.
Have you got? So this
Yes.
way. So in every question there will be some formula will be. You can see here. This is the question number 18, second part. It is also of same type, x minus 3 upon x in one bracket. And in the other bracket, it is what? In the other bracket, it is x square plus 3 plus 9 upon x square. Now you can see here. This is the whole square of what? This is the whole square of x. Then this is the whole square of what?
3 upon x.
3 upon x ka whole square. And if you multiply this and this, what will you get?
3.
3. It is 3. So here you can rewrite the term. It's clear. You can see here x minus 3 upon x. You will not write directly, right? It's clear. You will show everything. X into x whole square. Then x into 3 upon x. and then 3 upon x whole square. Let
Whole
x
square.
equals to a. So 3 upon
A.
x equals to.
B.
So when you will simplify, what will you get? A minus b in one bracket, in the other a square plus ab plus b square. This is what? It is a cube minus
Minus
B.
this is the formula of a cube minus b. It's clear? So see here, what is in place of x? X ka whole cube. 3 upon x whole cube. X का whole cube x cube, 3 का whole cube 27.
27.
27 x cube.
It is clear? Now see here.
Yes, sir.
You see the question number 19. Question number 19 you can see. Here it is. There is one formula. You'll remember that formula. A plus B plus C into A square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus BA
A.
equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus
C.
ABC. It's clear? This is the formula. Now this question is based on the same. Here it is given 2x plus 3y plus 4z. If you see carefully, you will find the question is based on the above formula. 9y square plus 16z square minus 6xy minus 12yz minus 8z. First you see, check whether it is of the above formula or not. It is in the pattern of above formula or not. So you see here 4x square, it is the whole square of what?
2x.
This is
3y. 3y.
this is
4z.
4z. This is the product of which two? 2x and 3y.
2x into 3.
This is the product of 3y and 4z.
4z.
And this is the product of 2x and 4z.
4z.
Clear? Means you can write in this 2x plus 3y plus 4z. And in the other bracket you can write 2x whole square plus 3y
Whole square.
plus 4z
It is
Whole square.
minus 2x into
3y.
3y.
minus 3y into
4z.
4z.
minus 2x into
4z.
4.
It's clear? So you take let 2x into 3y equals to b,
B.
4z equals to
C.
E.
so in one bracket it will be a plus b plus c, and in the other bracket it will become a square plus b
Plus B
square
square
plus
plus
c
C
square
square.
minus ab
Minus
minus b into
BC.
c and minus a into c,
EA.
E.
and we know that it is equal to what? It is equal to
A.
this. You will do
A
exactly
cube plus
the
B cube plus
same
C
way.
cube minus 3ABC.
C cube minus CABC.
Now we will substitute the value. So age 2x
2x
3y whole cube
4z
4z whole cube minus 3 into 2x into 3y into 4z.
4z.
What will be 2x whole cube?
8x cube
8x 8x cube 3y whole cube Vatsala
27y cube.
27y cube. Then Kanishka Chandani 4z whole cube. Abhijit Ad 4z whole cube. Aditya Anam
Sir, 64z whole cube.
64z whole. Now it will be equal to what? 3 2 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 4 ja 72, minus 72 xyz,
x y z
minus 72 xyz. It's clear? Now you can see here. Next question. In the next question, 20 and 21, you have to find the coefficients of x square and x. So first you know what is the meaning of coefficients. Coefficients. Coefficients means it is the number attached with every term. For example, here it is written 3x square plus 5x minus 7. If I ask what is the coefficient of x square, so it is 3. What is the coefficient of x? It is
5.
5. What is the constant term? Constant term. Constant term means which is free from x. It is minus 7. It is not 6. It is minus 7. Suppose this is a polynomial 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. What is the coefficient of x?
2
2.
What is the coefficient of x square?
3.
minus 3
Minus 3. Coefficient of x cube,
4.
4
constant term.
1
1.
1
Okay. Now you can see here. So I am doing question number 21. Here it is given.
आवाज आ
Find
रही
the coefficient- No, turn off the audio. Priyanshu Avasthi.
मम्मी से कह रहे हैं ना
It is
नहीं जा रहा बता रहा वो नॉट सेंट अब हमारी गलती है नहीं यार जब सर बोलेंगे तब आएगी ना
now you can see x minus 3 into x plus 7 into x minus 4. You have to find coefficient of x square and x. So what will you do? First you will multiply and write in this way, in this form. So how will you multiply? तो हम इनको multiply करते हैं. X minus 3 into x plus 7. So what will be? X will be multiplied with this bracket. X plus 7. Minus 3 will be multiplied x plus.
X plus 7.
Okay. Now x into x.
x square
X square.
Plus 7x.
7x
X.
Minus 3x
3x.
3.
minus
minus
Two.
21
21
what will you get? X square
plus
7
7x
plus 4x
plus
4x.
4x
minus
minus
21
Now see here, this is x square plus 4x minus 21 into x minus 4.
4.
Now what will you do? X will multiply with all these, or you can write it this way. First you write x minus 4, then you write x square plus 4x minus 21. So x into x square plus 4x
4x
minus
minus
21
21
minus 4x minus 20. Now you open the bracket, x into x square.
x cube
x cube
Then what will you write?
4x square
4x square.
After that,
minus 21x
Minus 21x.
then when you will open this bracket, what will you get?
minus 4x square
Then
minus 16x
Minus 16x.
minus 6 and plus 80.
plus 84
So you can see
54.
here this and this will be cancelled. What will you get? X cube minus 21x. So it is equal to
minus
37.
37
Gul Bajaj, turn off your audio. Subraj Kapoor. So what is coefficient of x square? So if you see here, there is no term of x square. X square का तो term ही नहीं है. So what will be its coefficient? It will be 0. What is coefficient of x?
37
minus 37
Minus 30.
7.
Constant term
84.
84
84. Now see the question number 23. Question you can see. Use a plus b whole square to evaluate the following. 1003 whole square. Evaluate, in order to evaluate this, you have to use this formula. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b
plus 2.
square plus 2ab. Now you have to evaluate this thing by using this formula. इस फार्मूले को यूज करके. So we will write in a convenient form. जो form convenient, we will not write in the inconvenient form. So see here, whether you will write 997 plus 6 whole square, or you will write 1000 plus 3. In which form you will prefer to write? 997 plus 6 is also 1000.
1000 plus 3.
sir 1000 plus 3 square
We will
Whole
prefer
square.
to write in this form. क्यों? देख लो यहाँ a की वैल्यू क्या है, बताओ क्या आ रही है यहाँ a की वैल्यू?
997.
If you compare it from this, what will you get? A.
997
What will you get? B.
6
If you compare this from that, what will you get? A.
1000
1000
And what is B?
3.
3.
It's clear? Now see here. A square, हमको पहला टर्म क्या है? A square. Here it will be 997 का whole square. While here it will be 1000 का whole square. किसको आसानी से हम कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे? This whole square or this whole square? Which you can calculate?
1000 whole square.
1000.
1000 whole square.
So we will write in this way. It's clear? हमको एक convenient form में लिखना. We will write in a convenient form. So see here. Now you see 1003 whole square. That you can write 1000 plus 3 का whole square. Now we already know A equals to 1000, B equals to 3. So what is A square? That is 1000 का whole square. B square, that is 3 का plus 2AB, 2 into 1000 into
3.
1000 का whole square. You can see here. How many zeros? 6 zeros. 1000 whole square means 1000 into 1000. So 1 के आगे 60. 3 square is 9.
9.
2 3 are 6. This is 6000.
6000.
Now you have to add. We have to add this. So how will you add? So you will write in this form, in the column form. क्योंकि वहां ऐड करने में आसानी रहती, कोई गलती नहीं. So this is 9006
6
0.
0 0 1.
What will be the answer? 600.
9.
This will be the answer. Answer will be this. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now here its
Yes,
second part is 10.2 का whole square. What will you write?
10 plus 0.2 का whole square.
10 plus 0.2 का whole square. What will you write? 10 plus 0.2 का whole square. It is clear? Now see here. In the next question, you have to use the formula. You will do exactly in the same way. But the formula which will be used is A minus B whole square equals to A square plus B square minus 2A. This will be the formula. It's clear? And here also you will write in a convenient form for 9.8 whole square. What will you write?
10 minus 0.2 का whole square.
10 minus 0.2 का whole square.
Whole square.
When you will compare from this, what will you get in place of A?
10.
What is in place of B?
0.2.
Hmm?
0.2.
0.2.
0.2.
2.2.
0.2. Now you substitute here. So it will be equal to, you can put it the bracket. A square. You have to write the formula. Formula is must. In every question, you will write the formula which you are using. So 10 square, 0.2 का whole square minus 2 into 10 into 0.2. So 10 square is 100.
100.
Now 0.2 into 0.2. 2 2 jar. Total decimal places are 2. Total decimal places कितने हैं? 2 हैं.
2.
How will you make 2 place?
2.
Keeping 0 before 4 and put the decimal.
4.
It will be 0.04.
0.04.
10 into 0.2. It will be equal to how much? 10 2 ja 20. 10 2 ja 20. Decimal is at how many place? One place. So it will be 2.0. जब डेसिमल नहीं होता है then it is assumed just after the unit place. जैसे 20 आया, डेसिमल यहाँ है, हमको वन प्लेस पर लगाना है, एक प्लेस पे करना। So it is 2 and 2 into 2 4.
4.
So 100 minus 4 equals to how much?
96.
0.04. 96.04. Can you do this question?
Yes,
Now
sir.
see here, in the here 25, by using suitable identity. Suitable identity means suitable formula. You have to evaluate. So here we will use a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b into plus b cube. Or we will use a minus b whole cube. A cube minus 3ab within bracket a minus b cube. Is clear? In the expanded form, it will be a cube minus 3a square b minus plus 3ab square minus b. And here in the expanded form, it will be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b. It's clear? Now you can see here. You have to determine this 99 का whole cube क्या लिखेंगे? You will write 95
100
plus
minus 1
4
का whole cube.
or 100 minus 1.
100 minus 1.
100 minus. That is more convenient. 100 minus 1 का whole. Now you will use which formula? Formula number 1 or 2?
Formula number 2.
2.
Formula number 2. What is in place of A?
100.
100.
In place of B?
1.
1.
So you substitute in this here. You substitute here. So when you will substitute 100 ka cube minus 3 into 100 ka square into b is 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 ka square minus 1 ka whole. 100 ka cube means there will be how many zeros? 6.
0.
Minus 3. 100 square means
4 zeros.
4 0.
plus 3 into minus 1. 1 ka cube means 1. 1 into 1 into 1. So see here, it will be minus how much? 30,000 plus 3.
300.
Now you simplify. When you will add this and this, what will you get? 1 0 0 0 300.
0 0.
Now you subtract. So I am subtracting here. You can see here 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 and then 30,000. Subtract 0 0 3 0. 10 में 3 गया 7 9.
Nine.
It's clear. So it is equal to 970,300. Check it whether it is correct or not. So, correct. It is clear? So this
Sir, there
thing
is minus
Yes,
1
sir.
also.
Minus 1.
Sir, there is minus.
Oh, yes, it is -1 also. If this I forgot it. -1. So -1. So it will be 970,299. Now it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There was -1 also. Yes. Now see here. There is one more question that I am going to explain. Question number 30. Question number 30. There is a formula if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. It's clear? If a cube a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. Now here it is given 27 whole plus minus 17 whole plus minus 10. It is like this. ये क्या है? ये इस तरीके का. If you compare what will be A, what will be B, what will be C.
A will be 27.
27.
B will be minus 17.
Minus 17.
Minus 17.
B will be
Minus 10.
-17.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. So what will be A plus B plus C? 27 minus 10. 27 plus minus 17 plus minus 10. So when you will simplify 27 minus 27, 0. It is clear?
0.
Therefore, 27 whole cube
17 cube.
minus 10 whole cube. It is equal to 3abc. It is equal to 3abc. What is in place of A?
27.
27.
27.
Minus
7.
17
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
minus 10. Now you evaluate. When you will evaluate, so it is so it is 13770. 13770. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? This. Now all of you see the question number 31.
Yes.
Yes. 31, if you see here in the book only I am explaining. Here you can see. Here 86 into 86 into 86 plus 14 into 14 into 14. So you take 86 equals to A and 14 equals to B.
A cube plus
86 को A ले ले, 14 को B ले ले. What will you get in the numerator? In the numerator, what will you get? 86 into 86 into 86, that is A into A into A means how much?
A cube.
Plus 14 into 14 into 14, what will you write?
B cube.
In the denominator, it will be what? 86 into 86
A square.
A square.
minus
A.
AB
AB.
plus B square. Means it will be like this. It will be like this. Have you got? Now see here, A cube plus B cube, you can write as A plus B in the other bracket, A square minus AB plus B square. In denominator, A square minus AB plus B square. So this and this will be cancelled. What will you get? A plus B. Age 86 plus 14, that is equals to 100.
100.
100.
So now you will do the questions of this, all the questions of this exercise. Then I will explain 3.2. And the questions which you are not getting in the previous chapters. So you mention the question number. Only one student has requested for one question. You send the question number, I will explain afterwards.